What up, bitches? Yo, welcome to the channel. My name's Kostulas. Today, I'm gonna show you guys angrily how to make money online. Alright? Let's get into it. Alright, for those of you that are new to the channel, I like to post videos on how to make money and how to get healthy. So if you're into that kind of shit, I suggest you subscribe to the motherfucking channel. Alright? I'd appreciate it. Okay? Cool. Let's dive right into it. Okay, so what do I plan on doing to make money in 2018? Well, my goals are huge, okay? My goal is to make 1 million motherfucking dollars in the year 2018. How are you gonna do that? Social media. Social media, personal branding, and having my own social media advertising agency and having local businesses pay me $1,000 to $10,000 every single month. Okay? Real estate agents, pizzerias, dentists, chiropractors, haircut places, you name it. All of these people are in need of new people coming into their businesses. This is where you come in. This is where a kid who is savvy with their cell phone is extremely beneficial to any business owner, okay? You walk in there, all right, and you're like, yo, I can increase your sales 10 to 30%. And they're gonna be like, what? And you're gonna be like, yeah, motherfucker. And then you're gonna ask to do it for free. So that they're like, wait a second, time out. You're gonna increase my sales 10 to 30%, and I don't feel threatened by you because you're not asking for $500 or more? Interesting. All right, here are the keys to the castle. Here are the keys to the motherfucking kingdom. Get the results for them, and then bing, bang, boom, they're like, shit, this got me a couple more customers into my store, and over time, a happy, satisfied customer for any place is worth a shit ton to any business, especially if they're a brand new person and you are the one that got them in there. So they will gladly pay you $500 to $1,000. The key to the whole social media advertising business is patience and being willing to dig in the dirt, right? You gotta be willing to do stuff for free, you gotta be willing to help business owners get the results that they're looking for, and then you can ask for money. I did my first pizzeria, Gino's, for 2 months. For 2 months without getting paid, right? And it was worth it. It was worth it because now every single month they hand me a $600 check. Okay? I chill at my house all day, every single day. I'm on my laptop, I chill in my room, in my bed, over there with my computer, and I'm chilling out every single day, and I want that for you too. I know a lot of you guys hate your minimum wage paying job. I know a lot of you guys hate the way your bosses treat you. I know a lot of you guys wish you could just be financially free and buy whatever the hell you want. I know a lot of you got expensive lifestyles. I know I do too. Like, look at dude, I wear fucking Jordan, Nike, Adidas. Like, I make sure that I buy all the expensive brands because it's just what I like. And I couldn't afford to do that if I didn't have a job that was able to compensate me enough to do that, okay? Let me give you a little background information about me, especially if you're new to the channel. I'm 21 years old. I'm an entrepreneur. I basically dropped out of college, basically. I have to go back next fall, but I really talked my mom into letting me just ball out on this social media shit because it's really balling out. I have 17 businesses that are interested in my service, that I have meetings sporadically scheduled over the month of January. If you guys are interested, I have a video on that in my Balance University playlist. All in all, my goal is to get 8 clients paying me at least $1,000, and the rest of my money I plan on making from my personal brand through affiliate marketing and selling courses. Now, speaking of those two things, I am dropping my personal brand course a month from now, okay? In my personal brand course, I will teach you how to make money by selling other people's products. I will show you how to set up your own YouTube channel. I will show you how to run and drive paid traffic to it so you can grow your subscribers. I will show you how to grow on Instagram, how to grow on Snapchat, how to grow on all your social media platforms, and I'm going to throw my social media advertising agency content in there as well. Okay? So personal brands are the key. Having a personal brand that you can monetize from is the most profitable thing in the fucking world of 2018, okay? You influencing people on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, that's what's gonna make you the most money. Look at Kylie Jenner. She made $420 million selling makeup from her social media. That has never been done in human history. We live in a new age. Social media is here to stay. Wake up. I know that if you're a millennial watching this, you get it. Trust me, I'm not worried about you understanding how important that is. Because you realized yourself, holy shit, what am I doing all day? Oh, I'm on Instagram talking to my friends. So the best way to make money and get people's attention is to just have sponsored ads in there all the time, targeting your niche for people that you want to sell to. So in my personal brand course, I'm going to show you how to set up your business, how to decide what type of niche that you want to get into, how to pick what you want to do so that you are fulfilled and you actually love what you do and you love what you teach. I personally, 2 years ago, I was a personal trainer and I decided I wanted to take it online, and then I learned about how to make money online. So now I'm, passionately learning how to make money online and teaching people how to make money online. I am passionately learning more about physical exercise and mental health and passionately teaching about it. And my life's amazing. I love it. I have no more stress and anxiety. I used to have stress and anxiety out the wazoo back when I was in high school. I fucking hated it. But now, I'm chilling out. I figured it out. I got no boss. I got nobody bothering me. I got my whole big, beautiful house to myself today, every day. It's like, yo, this is possible. But, disclaimer, you actually have to work hard and consistently every single day if you ever want to make any of this happen. It's not some get-rich-quick scheme at all. It's about understanding, okay, if I put 1 to 2 years of consistent progress into this entrepreneurship thing, whether that's working 30 minutes a day or 5 hours a day, consistently working on it every single day for 1 to 2 years, and then reaping the benefits. Do you think any of your favorite musicians or any of your favorite artists just got rich and famous overnight? No, it doesn't happen like that. Like, diamonds are made by mining away and just spending hours and hours and hours and hours and practicing daily. And then eventually you strike gold. Eventually you find diamonds. It's about that consistent hard work. And honestly, if you want to be financially free and become rich, it's totally doable. People have been lying to you their whole life because they are fucking miserable about where they are in their life, and they just want to bring you down too. All they understand is the perspectives of where they're at in their own life. If they haven't made any money and they are negative Debbie Downers, please take their opinions and throw them the fuck out, because they are so irrelevant to you. If you even have the slightest bit of curiosity in entrepreneurship, subscribe to my channel. Slowly watch a couple videos, slowly feed your curiosity, and then take action. Take action and go, fuck it, I know I can get rich. Who is this random 21-year-old from Long Island who can just drop out of college like that and make money from his social media? Look at my YouTube right now. I got 182 subscribers. That went from 160 to 182 in the past week due to some strategies that I'm learning from how to grow my channel from paid traffic, from YouTube ads, from Facebook ads. This is all going to be in the personal brand course, okay? So I'm dropping it a month from now so that you guys can see literally in real time my channel increase, my Instagram subscribers increase, and you can literally see the proof in the making that this shit's really real. I'm convinced. Subscribe, watch me take you guys there, okay? It's all about value first on this channel. I want to make sure that I answer all of your questions, so hit me up on any of my social media platforms and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I'll make you a video, we can have a coaching call, whatever you want to do, all right? Peace out.